This short video will look at the key schedules and reports generated by foreCASH and examine some of the tools that will help you manage cash flow. Please note that this video was recorded in 2009. All the features shown are still available in foreCASH, but the format and layout may have changed in the latest version. In this example, sales, expense and opening balance sheet data has already been set up and a calculation has been run by foreCASH. We'll look first at the monthly grid-style schedules for profit and loss balance sheet and cash flow forecasts. The example assumes that the current date is January 2008, that Blue Retail's financial year will end on the 30th of October, and that the users opted to forecast 10 months into the future to align with their financial year end. The first tab shows a summary of the income and expenses for the 10 months that have been estimated. There's an additional tab on the right hand side. This blends actual data with the forecast data, thus producing a forecast for the whole of Blue Retail's financial year. You can also view this by quarter. Tab 2 shows the balance sheet and tab 3 the funds flow. We're going to focus today on the cash position. You'll note that the figures for net cash or overdraft are colour-coded. Red highlights where the net position is forecast to exceed bank facilities at the end of the month. Orange means that although the company is expected to be within facility levels at the month end, at some point during the month facilities will be breached. Looking slightly further down, we can see that this applies to just one day during May. Green means the company is forecast to be within facility levels throughout the whole month. I've decided to investigate May further, and by double-clicking on the May column, I can drill down into a weekly view. The weekly view uses a similar colour coding system to highlight the extent of any cash drain. Clicking on the week beginning the 1st of May will let me drill down into a daily level of detail. Looking across, I've found a large payment here to account Radio 009. I'm going to resolve the cash drain in this week by dragging from the 1st of May to the 7th of May. I'd like to keep a note about the change I've made, so by right-clicking back on the 1st of May and going into the detail, I can enter my own comment, or here I'll use one that's been set up already. I may also want to note the status of the change, such as whether the deferral has been agreed with the supplier. In this instance, it was a short delay, so I'm marking it NSA, not seeking agreement. Going back to my monthly view, I can now see that May is green and we're scheduled to be within facilities throughout the whole period. foreCASH offers another way of keeping track of the changes you've made, and if I return to the daily view and select a report, looking at May, we can see that on the 1st of May we move from red, below the facility level, into green, and the following days also benefited, as indicated by the solid green block seen here. Let's look at another graph format now, and here's an example I exported earlier to a PDF file, and this shows how the strain is being managed by a combination of methods, including deferring payments, advancing receipts from customers, and flexing the sales level upwards. I hope this quick demo gives you a feel for the capabilities of foreCASH and allow you to see how it can not only forecast cash flow, but give real help in managing any cash drain. If you would like any more information on foreCASH, please call or contact us by email. In the meantime, thank you for watching.